Google Drive is no longer just a storage container for all your files. Thanks to Gemini, it's gone from passive storage to active helper. Hey friends, I'm Tasia Custode, and Gemini in Google Workspace has come a long way in a short amount of time. And in this video, we're focusing on how to use Gemini in Google Drive specifically. There are a few Gemini and Google Drive features to cover, including how to pull and synthesize data from Drive. The first thing I want to bring your attention to when it comes to Gemini and Drive is that anytime you can select the Ask Gemini icon in the top right. Here you can, as the name would suggest, ask Gemini for anything you need from your Drive files. And this means you can literally discuss topics across your files. Ask Gemini allows you to ask complex questions and start conversations with Drive, all based on the content in your docs, emails, calendar, and the web. So you could ask Gemini to synthesize information from one or more files in your Drive, either across your files or within a specific folder, which can help you gain new insights and perspectives on your work. Here on the left, you can add files from Drive or from Gmail. Plus, you can allow Gemini to search for sources from Drive, Gmail, Chat, Gcal, and Search. Your settings are always going to reset on this page when you refresh though, keep that in mind. Accessing Ask Gemini in this way is really great to not only easily get information from across your Workspace suite of apps right inside Drive, but your history is saved here too in this left panel. So at any time, you can click back into an old chat and pick up where you left off. Now, back in my original example here, you can click to save your chat as a project, and this creates a dedicated workspace. You can find those dedicated workspaces or saved projects in that Projects tab on the left. But that's just one way you can use Gemini in Google Drive. And if you want to get even more out of Gemini in Google Drive, then I suggest you take a look at this free resource from HubSpot. The only Gemini tips that matter. It's an ex-Googler's guide to Gemini features actually worth using in Google Workspace. So you're getting tips straight from someone who knows these tools inside and out. I've got this linked for you in the description below, and what I love is that it gives you one helpful, actionable tip for every Google Workspace tool. So beyond just Drive, you're covered across all of them. So just like we're talking about today, you're gonna learn how to turn Google Drive into searchable working memory, but you'll also learn how to build a searchable archive of every meeting your team has ever had. And one of my favorite things this guide delivers is a copy and paste design prompt for Notebook LM that generates styled, on-brand slide decks directly from your source documents. You can find all of this inside the guide. I really suggest you take a look. It's linked for you in the description below. Huge thank you to HubSpot for sponsoring this video and for providing this completely free resource so you can level up your Gemini game. And like I said, there's actually another way to utilize Gemini in Google Drive. When you select a file or folder, you can click Ask Gemini in the menu above it. And you'll notice it brings you to that same place. But this time, instantly, we're given an AI overview of the folder we selected. So essentially, this is a shortcut to get information on that file or folder. You can see it's pulled the selected folder as a source, and we can ask our follow-up questions. We can pull details from large folders or projects, all right here from Drive. This is really good for getting up to speed quickly on a shared team project. And just like we saw before, anything we do here can be saved as a project as well. And yes, if you're already inside of a folder, you can, you guessed it, still ask Gemini for what you need. But you can also get answers from Drive in a more conversational way, thanks to Gemini. So just like you might be used to in Gmail search now, you can ask Drive for what it is that you need. So rather than having to search via keyword or file name, you can ask longer, more detailed questions. So now if you find yourself searching for something but can't remember where that info was located, just ask. And what you'll notice is actually yet another new Gemini feature in Google Drive. AI overviews are now available in Google Drive, and if that sounds familiar, that's because it is. We have AI overviews in Gmail, and now they're available in Drive as well. So, as we saw, In your Drive up at the top, simply search for what you need using natural language. Gemini instantly provides you with a helpful AI overview at the top of your results, complete with clickable links to all sources from your Drive. How neat is that? And this is going to work in perfect harmony with Ask Gemini, by the way. It adds for even quicker organization of your files. So as part of the AI overview, you can click on Ask Gemini, and that all familiar page will open up where it's already got the source files listed from your query, as well as that initial query. So here, just as we saw in our earlier examples, we can carry on our Gemini chat to get even more information. Now let's talk about availability. These new Gemini features in Drive are available widely to all Google AI Pro and Ultra subscribers. And in the US, it's available for Gemini Alpha business customers. So that's how to use Gemini in Google Drive. And now I want to hear from you. How will you use this Gemini in Google Workspace feature? Let everyone know in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, well, I want to know. So give it a like, a share, or you can leave that comment below. You can click right about here to subscribe to my channel and here for even more Gemini goodness. You know you wanna. Thanks for watching. See you next time.